Hey everybody, welcome back to the Curmudge Inn. Today we're going to make some bread. A lot of folks ask me to share my recipes when I share pictures of what I'm making on Facebook. So today we're going to do that. I'm going to walk you through each step of the process from start to finish. And today we're going to be using my mixer, some stone bar white bread flour, some yeast, sugar of course, and then we're going to be baking it in the Obadiah 2000 by Hecko. I love this wood-fired cook stove. Yes, that is my coffee cup on top, keeping warm. It works well. Anyways, let's get to it. Ignore the pitter-patter of Zeus running around. Right, Zeus? Look at that cute little face. What you doing, Zeus? Huh? What are you doing, Zeus? Sit. Give me 4. Give me the other 4. There's your change. Gotcha. Stay. Stay. Good boy. Alright, I got you guys kind of perched on top of my cookbook, so don't go nowhere, huh? Alright, so we need to have warm water. I generally do my water between 105 to 110 degrees. I'm checking my little thermometer. Unfortunately, I bought this at a place that starts with W and it fell apart. It does work, it's just the prong falls off. Alright, I'm back. Let's check the temperature here. $104. Perfect. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to put that in here. Going to get my yeast. This calls for, let me see, I'm trying to remember, 1 tablespoon. Pinch of sugar to start with. I believe he uses a half a cup of sugar in overall. Put a pinch in there. Get my whisk, if it's here. Ruh-roh, Scooby. Now, you don't have to do this, I just do. And now we let it sit for about 10-15 minutes until it starts foaming. It shows that your yeast is active. If it doesn't start foaming, get rid of the yeast, get some new yeast, and start all over. Alright, so we're back, and now we're going to start adding the ingredients. Alright, so we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. Ooh, can't do it that way, can I? That ain't gonna work. Let's see if I can do this without making too much of a mess. Hey, didn't spill anything. Next, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt. Unfortunately, all my salt's together, so I just brought some over. I don't really measure things too well, so don't mind me. Now I'm going to put my dough hook on there. And I'm going to add 1 cup of flour. Oh, I need some here. Alright, I do this a little differently now. For a while I was doing it the wrong way and my mom corrected me and I should have known better. A lot of you don't know, I grew up, spent a lot of my time on the farm. I grew up in New Hampshire, and also my grandfather's bakery up in Hillsborough, New Hampshire. So I should have known this, but you don't want a hard packed cup. You want nice loose cups. Otherwise your mixture is not going to come out right, and it's going to be too dense with flour. She gave me hell about this recently. And since I started doing it right again, it's actually been coming out better. Alright, so we're going to add one. I'm going to put it on low, just to get it mixing a little bit. And while that's mixing a little bit, I'm going to get the next one prepared. And this recipe takes about 4 to 5.5 cups of flour, depending on where you're at, I guess. I don't know. Never understood why they say it like that, but that's 2. I'll put all the measurements and ingredients down below, so if anybody wants to try it can. You can use either regular flour with this, all-purpose flour, or you can use bread flour. That's 3. We're ready to start kneading it by hand. Alright, so here we go. We're going to do a little bit of hand kneading here. Anyways, that's it for now. Let's get this rising. Alright, so I gotta get the oven stoked a little bit more. Just want to show you guys the inside of this firebox. It is huge. Throw a few more pieces of wood on there and we'll get this baking going. It rose quite well. And I spray the insides of my pans lightly. All right, and they're gonna go back on the warming shelf. Rise up a second time and they'll be ready to bake. All right, so the bread has risen a second time. And it's time to go into the oven. Well, we're a little cattywampus there, but I am normally. All right, we gotta check the bread. It's been a half an hour, so it should be ready. Zeus, what do you think? You think it's ready? He thinks so. There you have it. Show you another way here in a second how to check it. Hey, excuse you. Another one nicely done. All right, so we're gonna cut into one of these and check out the insides. My bread knife's at the other house and Mom is sleeping, so I'm gonna use my ulu. Look at that. Nice. Smells good. Find some butter. Come here, Zuby. What do you think? Is it good? It's Zeus approved. Here you go, sir.
Thank you, love.
Good stuff, huh, Zeus?
Very good stuff. With 4 pizzas.
Alright, so excuse my mouthful. That's it for today. I'll get this uploaded and posted to y'all here soon. And when you get a chance, try out the bread recipe. It comes out pretty good. Have a great day.